everybody. So today I'll be showing you how to weld your differential. I've got this new transmission, and so this old one, which is broken, I'm going to weld it so I can just thrash it. Update, I've got a headlight on the front. It's just wired up to the alternator, to the engine. I do have a switch for it, but the switch is broken, so I need to get a new switch. So yeah, first of all you want to take off the tires. So as you can see, I've removed both of the tires. Next I'm going to remove this brake link. So I'm going to do that by just undoing this one bolt. Make sure your brake's off when doing this, it'll just make undoing the bolt much easier. So now I've removed that. I've also undone this bolt which is up here. Next I'm going to remove the pulley, and I've lowered it down onto blocks of wood so I can undo these 4 bolts. There should be 2 bolts on each side. These outer 2 are just for the thing that holds my mud guards. And then once we've undone those bolts, we're going to jack it up. So I've removed the gear stick, all the nuts from the bottom of this. They don't come out. Some of them, these bolts don't come out because that's stopping it. And now I'm just going to jack this up, and the transmission will be left behind as there's nothing holding it to the mower. As you can see, it's fully detached from the mower, so now we can just drag it out and pull it apart.